Hello, what I'm up to today is I'm swapping out the pickups on my mid-90s Fender Thinline Telecaster. These are the original pickups. What I'm going to be putting in is Fender's relatively new copies of the original wide field pickups. The difference between these pickups, essentially this is a standard size humbucker in an oversized cover, where these are more correct to the original 70s pickups that were in the old thin lines. The coils are larger on the pickups, and well, they're supposed to sound a little different. Something we'll find out. The other major thing that's changed on the guitar are the potentiometers. I've yet to take this guitar apart, but I imagine it probably has standard 500K pots in it, where these are 1 meg, which is correct for the old vintage Fender thin lines. So I'm going to do a couple sound samples of the guitar before and a few after, and we'll see if there's a difference. So yeah, stand by. Okay, I'm going to swap out these pickups and try to play some of that shit again. Okay, so I have all the screws out of the pick guard. Should just be able to pop this out, desolder the ground wire, and put in the new ones. So. Wires are a little tangled up here. Bit of a mess. There it is. Okay, so there's the old wiring harness. Made in Korea, Jinsung. Doesn't have a value on the tone pot. Yeah, the volume pot's 500K. So, I soldered all this up the other day. CTS pots. Whatever the nice quality is, a CRL. Pickup selector. Find a good spot for this. Okay, put this all back together and restring it, and we'll hear some more audio clips. So I hit a snafu installing the new pick guard. This is an aftermarket guard, and even though it was custom cut for a Japanese Fender Thinline, the neck pocket still isn't correct. There's a little bit too much material. And that's causing an issue with the fit of the neck pocket. So I don't know. I've got some hobby files. I'm going to see if I can file this plastic. Otherwise, I don't know what's next. So. Okay, so a little fiddling with a couple hobby files around the neck pocket, and everything looks good. So strings and a test. Got the guitar restrung. I've got the strings stretched out. Turn it on. Definitely brighter. Took a lot of the mud out of the neck pickup. I want to mess with the amp controls, but I'm not going to, just until I play around with the distortion a little bit here. like it. Definitely reminds me, I've played probably about 3 or 4 original ones with the original 70s pickups, and it reminds me definitely more of that. I really like the guitar beforehand with the Japanese made pickups, but this is more what I would expect out of this guitar. Stella, you like it? You like it? I bet you don't if I play this. See you, doggy. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, any questions, I guess let me know. Go buy yourself a vintage Japanese made, well, I guess not, 91, is that vintage? Go buy yourself a Japanese made Fender. They're freaking excellent. So, yeah.